AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, fortunately, in the wake of Barry, pretty quiet conditions today, and it looks like that's the way it goes through the rest of the week. Unfortunately, though, the heat is up there because the dew points, upper 70s to lower 80s, all the moisture left on the ground, keeping our dew points and humidity artificially high. So with a temperature of 91 at 3 o'clock this afternoon, we had a heat index at 107 in Lafayette. I would expect more of the same over the next couple of days. We topped out at 92 today. More of that tomorrow, and more than likely for Thursday and Friday. This is the way it looked out there. One thing I'll notice compared to even yesterday, we're seeing at least some bluer skies in the background, not as much upper level, higher level moisture and instability, so not much shower activity to talk about this afternoon, and that has certainly been the good news. So let's kick it onto the radar, and it's relatively quiet across Acadiana. That's the good news. Been watching some activity up towards central Louisiana. Guys, a nice little thunderstorm here, but it's moving along through the Alexandria area, Pineville as well, all the way up through Ball, but this will be moving out, and any shower should be diminishing later on tonight. We have a nice full moon to enjoy later on tonight. Now, Doppler estimated rainfall. This is over the 5-day period for Barry's rains. The Doppler underestimating a lot of the rainfall locally at the front end of the system, but did a little bit better job with this stripe that came in very late Saturday night through Sunday morning, or Sunday night through Monday morning. My days are still mixed up, but notice, get out here in the Gulf of Mexico, that's 25 inches, that's 20 to 25, that's 20, and then we had a stripe here across Acadiana as we finished out the event of anywhere between 1 to 2 feet across the northwestern portions of Acadiana. In fact, I went ahead and plotted up all the rain gauge readings, and this is Ragley, southern portions of Beauregard Parish, coming in at 23.5 inches of rain, a lot of 10 to 15 inches of rain across Allen Parish into Evangeline Parish, and then all the way up through Avoyelles. Marksville coming in at 16.08, around 15 in Ville Platte, 9.7 in Oberlin, and then Kinder coming in with 18.16. Then we get into the Sunset area, over 10 inches officially, Sunset 4.6 rather. This is just Grand Prairie 10.6. Lafayette officially out at the airport, only 5 inches. My house 7.25. A little bit more than that, probably 8 or 9 in Youngsville, but I didn't get solid rain gauge reports there. And the rains anywhere between 7 and 10 down Highway 90 and then down toward the coast as well. But Crowley not doing too bad at 2.63, so you were the luckiest folks, at least on this map, with respect to Barry's rains. And Barry's kind of gone full circle. I can remember a week ago Friday I was talking about a disturbance that was up here in Missouri that we'd have to watch if it got into the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. Well, certainly it became a thing, and then became not only a tropical storm, but that Cat 1 hurricane at landfall, then slowly worked its way northward, went through Arkansas, and 11 days after being in Missouri again, now in Illinois, but it won't be making another loop. This is going to get caught by a trough and then move out into the open sea. So we're done with Barry, and hopefully we don't see anything on the horizon for now. We'll reserve comment and see how things develop later this week, but nothing to worry about in the near term. So warm and humid overnight tonight. Disregard the temperature regime, especially for lows. I think our numbers stay artificially high because of all the water on the ground. Dew points the last couple of nights, upper 70s to lower 80s, so you get the sweaty windows with the AC going, and we'll have more of the same tomorrow. Lunchtime at 90, heat index at 101, temperature at 3 o'clock still lower 90s, and heat indices higher than what we are indicating because our dew points are higher than what the computer model is telling us, but not much rain out there. Still a pretty stable atmosphere through Thursday as well, so we'll keep rain chances 20% or less, and in fact that carries through Friday, and then the rain chances ramp up for the weekend. So a sultry, sweaty night ahead once again with that high humidity, not much of a wind, a full buck moon out there, so that's something to look forward to. Could be a pretty moonrise coming up shortly after sunset. Then tomorrow, another hot and humid one, that heat index up there once again. A few afternoon storms, but we'll keep rain chances lower than normal at 20%. 92 the projected high for tomorrow. tomorrow. So overnight lows near 80, daytime highs lower 90s next couple of days. A tropical easterly wave, inverted trough comes in this weekend, so rain chances on the way up. These numbers could go up, but we'll play 40-50% for now, but it could be 50-60%. We'll have to wait and see. Typical summer scenario going into next week with on and off showers and storms, and rain chances still bouncing between the 30 and 40% range. And that's the way it goes for now, and no major suspect areas. I know there was a rumor going around there's another system brewing.
Heard it today, yeah.
Nothing going on for now, but you never know. Beyond a week, there's something that could develop that we don't see right now, but we might see it down the road.
All right, thanks, Rob.